This is a follow-up to my previous video about Costco rotisserie chicken. This is regarding Sam's rotisserie chicken. If you haven't seen the other, I'll link it below. I took the same container that I used for the Costco and I weighed it. Again, it's 1 ounce. And then I took the chicken and put it in there. And with Sam's Club, and this was me pulling off the bone, the other I didn't have to do much, I get 12.7 ounces. And here is my carcass that is left. You can see I was scraping off the bone. I've still got the dark meat. We don't eat that. But my Costco one, I got 1.9 ounces. 1 pound, 9 ounces. And with this, I don't even get a full pound of white meat chicken. So you make the decision. I've wondered if Sam's was smaller. In this case, they are, and I suspect they always are. But do the test yourself. Leave a comment below. Tell me if you have one that you like more than the other. We actually prefer the Costco chicken, but I thought I'd pick up one at Sam's. Now I know, always get Costco. Thanks. Make it a great day. Bye.